Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I just wanted to share with you some behind the scenes from a campaign that I did with Afrocentric's natural hair care brand, and it was an Instagram sponsored post, so that's why the aspect ratio is mobile aspect ratio. But as you can see, I am just using their products to wash my hair, and it was mainly just a 3 products wash day. I used their shampoo, which is known as the Swish shampoo. It's very moisturizing, and as you can see, it allows me to be able to detangle my hair and just really have the ability to really get into my hair without any restrictions. So I really like that. It's moisturizing, but it's also quite cleansing. It's also the product that I used for my son from when he was 6 months old, because it's one of those product ranges that can be used for all the family, including babies from 6 months. So I use it for my son's hair as well, and it's been working great. So this is me just showing you how well the shampoo performs. So now I'm just twisting it up, and then I will go and rinse it out and follow up with the rinse out conditioner. I've applied it to my whole head and just doing final touches before I go rinse it out. So this is it. I've rinsed it all out, and as you can see, my hair has a lot of shine for hair that has just been washed with shampoo, not moisturized or anything, but as you can see, it's looking very lush. So that's what this shampoo does. So this is a brand that I was using before they even contacted me, so this partnership was really just spot on and aligned with what I was already doing. So here I'm going in with the rinse out conditioner, which is known as Swell, and I am just taking down my twists and I will apply it to my hair and then leave it in for about 30 minutes and rinse. So here I'm just showing you what my hair looks like with the twist out after the shampoo, and as you can see, it has a little bit of shine and looks pretty moisturized actually. So here is a conditioner, and that's the texture of it, and I'm just going to apply it to my hair from roots to tips. And their conditioner is also very moisturizing, and it's what I use to detangle my son's hair as well. So it works great for detangling and just getting all those knots out of your hair. So I'm just working it into my ends and then towards my roots. So this is what my curls are looking like. And also don't forget your edges. Always remember to apply your deep conditioner or your rinse out conditioner to your edges. And once I'm done, I am just going to twist it away and then do my whole head off camera and then go rinse that out too, and then come and moisturize my hair. So now that I've rinsed out my hair, I'm now going in with the leave-in conditioner, which is known as Smooth, and it's very moisturizing. It's a water-based leave-in conditioner, and it really just works a treat. Keeps my hair really moisturized, and I've used it for my son's hair as well. And if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that he's got a lot of hair, and I'm able to comb out all his tangles, and yeah, it works perfectly. So I just moisturize my hair in sections that I wash my hair in, and then once I'm done with that, I twist it up. But I really like to take my time to moisturize my hair because it's really important for me to make sure that every single strand is coated. And that's why I do it in sections, because if I was to do all my head at once, some parts of my hair will definitely not be moisturized. So as you can see, I've gone in with more moisturizer because I don't moisturize my hair during the week. So once I do it this time, I make sure that it's going to last me for a good while, or for the week at least. And I just love how my hair was looking here. I had just given myself a cut and some layers because at this time I was trying out wash and go. So this was 2021 August. So I just love how healthy my hair looks. So I cut my hair twice within 2 weeks in 2021. My aim for this year is to retain length and grow my hair as long as I can, and also keep a close eye on my thickness and volume because I want to improve that as well. So that's the plan for this year. So you will see me doing a lot of Ayurveda hair treatments as well, just to help me retain a lot more length and increase my volume. So this is my hair after I've moisturized it, and I have parted my hair into 4 sections. I do change this to 6 sections later on, but then yeah, I started with 4 and then I decided to make it 6 because I think it was neater. So for my flat twist, as you guys know, I still don't know how to flat twist, which is embarrassing because the last time I did flat twist, which I think was like was it 2019? I said I was going to learn. I still haven't, so I'm a bit embarrassed. But what I do is I still pre-separate my hair before I start the flat twisting, and that's because the curl pattern of my hair just doesn't allow me to freely move my hands or my fingers through my hair whilst I'm twisting. So that's why I do it this way, just to reduce the risk of me breaking my hair whilst forcing my fingers through the strands. So that's why I do this, and I basically just pick up the pre-separated hairs as I go along. And as you can see, I am also flat twisting upwards, and I think that looks better for an all back style. If you're flat twisting down, I think that looks better for styles where you want the hair to sort of like fall towards your face. So that's why I am doing it upward. And this is what I get. So after this first one, I decided to start adding some edge control to my scalp just to help the hairs lay down. So that's what I did. And also after this, I went and stretched my hair with threading and a bit of heat using the tension method just to make this a little bit quicker. So you will see here that my hair is a lot more stretched. So here I'm pre-separating my hair again, and I like to twirl the ends around my fingers just to keep them clumped together. And here I had also separated my hair into 3 sections on each side as opposed to 2 sections on each side, so making 6 instead of 4. So this is definitely not a flat twisting tutorial because I'm the last person to be teaching anyone how to do this, but I just like to show you my struggle way of doing it. So as you can see, I'm just picking up the pre-separated hair. Now that my hair is stretched and blown out, as you can see, it just looks a lot smoother and it's easier to work with, and I will have less tangles when I actually take my hair down. So that's why I decided to blow it out, and that's why I don't really do a lot of these braided and flat twisted styles, because it requires my hair to be quite straight for me to easily do it. So that's why I don't do it often. Oh gosh, my son is up. So this is it all done, and I'll go off camera and finish the rest and come show you what the results are. So here's the final look. I went and finished it off camera and I absolutely love it. This is the first time I've had an all back kind of style since I was 16 and I'm in my 30s, so it's been a while. So what I did before is that I had a line here where I just added a twist just to give my bun a bit more body. So I'm just going to go ahead and do it so that you can see it. So just a quick little bun like that. So yeah, super cute as a bun as well. Guys, you would not believe it. It's 5 a.m. My 5 a.m. alarm just went off. It's ridiculous. And I started trying to do this hairstyle since yesterday at 8 a.m. Obviously, I was looking after my son for parts of the day, and this is why I never ever work with brands for free, because it takes a lot of my time. It takes a lot of time away from my family, from my son, which is something that I cannot get back. So if a brand wants to work with me, they absolutely have to pay, because my time is important. So yeah, this is how I styled it, and yeah, it's just a quick simple 3-product wash day with Afrocentrics, and styled it into a simple flat twist for the week. So if you're looking for ideas for your hair, simple hairstyling ideas, this one is perfect for you, and it's great for short and long, so length should not be a problem with this. And you can even add hair at the back to make your twists longer if that's what you wish. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I am going to come with some more hair videos. So yeah, I will see you around. Thank you for watching. Bye.